Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to fix Omi TV loading screen. So if you're facing this screen loading issue, it's mostly because of some permission issues with your camera or microphone with your any extension. So you just need to fix up your extension to get this sorted. To do that, just on your browser, just go to your browser settings. So open up your browser, go to your, click on the three dots here because I'm using Chrome here. So go to the settings, and then once you get to your settings here, click on privacy and security, and then when you get to privacy and security here, scroll down and you will see site settings. Simply click on site settings, and here choose the Omi TV option. So click on Omi TV, choose that, and then here make sure that you have granted permissions to your camera, microphone and other sensors that's required for to run this Omi TV without any errors. So once you give those permissions, then this should fix up this issue, and that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.